We'll guide you through how to turn off map location in Instagram. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, tap on Instagram to open the application on your device. Once the login page appears, click on the email section so you can enter your account information. Put in your email address first and check that it is entered correctly before continuing. After that, click on the password section. Enter your password carefully, making sure there are no typing mistakes that could prevent access to your account. Next, press the login button and wait for Instagram to sign you in. Once everything has finished loading, locate the message or DM icon at the bottom of the screen. Press on this icon to open your direct messages area. After entering the messaging section, locate the map option. Then click on the map option to access its settings or related features. Next, make sure that the No One option is turned on so your location will not be visible to other people through this feature. If you prefer another method of controlling location access, you can alternatively go to your phone settings. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the apps option and click on it. After opening the apps section, go to permissions to view what access has been granted to installed applications. Find the location permission category and open it to review which apps can use your device location. Look for Instagram in the list of applications that have location access. Once you find Instagram, change the location setting to Don't Allow. This will prevent Instagram from accessing your device location through system permissions. By following these steps in order, you can log into Instagram, review the map-related option within the messaging area, enable the setting that keeps your location hidden, or use your phone settings to completely block Instagram from using location access. Following either method helps reduce location sharing and gives you greater control over your privacy settings while using the app on your device. Before finishing, verify that the selected settings remain saved correctly. Then close the menus and continue using Instagram with greater confidence that your location information stays private over time.